Good morning, children. Let us start chapter 1. Name is real numbers. What is the meaning of real numbers? Let's read the definition. Real numbers contain all type of numbers like natural numbers, which you have done, starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These are natural numbers. Now number 2, whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0. Numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are called whole numbers. Number 3, integers, in which all negative, 0, and positive numbers are called integers. Now next is fourth, rational numbers. Numbers in the form of p by q, where q should not be 0, called rational numbers. I have written the examples for you. 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, 0 by 1, and all numbers are rational numbers because, for example, 2 can be written as 2 by 1, 3 can be written as 3 by 1, minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. They are all rational numbers. And the what is fifth, irrational numbers. Numbers can't be written in the form of p by q, called irrational numbers. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5, and so on. And few more examples I have written for irrational numbers. You can see this is called non-repeating decimal expansion. Non-repeating means decimal के बाद 2 है, फिर 1 है, फिर डबल 2 है, फिर 1 है, फिर ट्रिपल 2 है, 1 है, and this is continued. We don't know ये decimal कहाँ पर आके ख़त्म होगा. That's why this is called irrational number. Similarly, in this case, so these are some type of numbers, and real numbers contain all type of numbers. Real number is the number line because all numbers can be represented on the number line, and this is symbol used for real number is capital letter R, or this can be written as minus infinity to infinity. This is also called a number line. And what I want to explain to you on the basis of it, some important properties of integers. And what is first, this is exactly new for you, Euclid's division lemma. Euclid is a mathematician who made division lemma. And what is that? Already you have done in polynomials, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is exactly same, but only in numbers. That was in polynomial, and here it is in numbers, in integers. What is here? For any two given positive integers a and b, there exists unique integers q and r such that a can be written as a equal to bq plus r, where r can be greater than and equal to 0 and less than b. What's the meaning of it? Already you know a means dividend, b divisor, q quotient, r remainder. Then what is this? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Exactly same, whatever we have written, this is exactly same. And remainder 0 हो सकता है, 0 से बड़ा हो सकता है, बट कहाँ तक हो सकता है? डिवाइज़र से छोटा होना चाहिए रिमाइंडर. हम लोगों ने पहले छोटी क्लासेस में सीखा हुआ है कि कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं और कहाँ पर डिवीजन स्टॉप करते हैं. उसके लिए यहाँ पर मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है. लेट्स रीड द एग्जाम्पल. What I have taken, a as 217 and b is 5, and then let us divide 217 by 5. 217 is called dividend and 5 is called divisor. By dividing it, what we are getting? 43, and here it is 2. 43 is called quotient and 2 is called remainder. And remainder is always less than divisor. That's why it is written less than b, because b is divisor. It means clearly what we can write: dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Means by solving it we will get 217. So this is exactly same. Hence this is called Euclid's division lemma. That is a equal to BQ plus R, where A is dividend, B is divisor, Q is quotient, and R is remainder. And on the basis of it, Euclid's division algorithm. What is Euclid's division algorithm? This is a technique to compute highest common factor of two given positive integers. That is also a property based on integers. Means Euclid's division algorithm is to use to obtain the highest common factor of two positive integers a and b, where a is greater than b. Using division algorithm, we can follow the following steps. Let's step number 1. What is step number 1? Apply Euclid's division lemma for a and b, that is numbers q and r, such that a equal to bq plus r, where r is having this relation. And number 2, if remainder is 0, then b is called HCF of a and b. If r is not 0, then apply Euclid's division lemma for b and r. And this process is continued till remainder is 0. And the divisor at this stage will be required HCF. Means the finally, whenever we will get remainder 0, then divisor is called HCF of the two numbers. That is called Euclid's division algorithm. For the basis of it, I have taken an example. Let's see. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 135 and 225. हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पर HCF निकालना है 135 और 225 का. किसका यूज़ करके? डिवीजन, यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम का यूज़ करके. तो क्या प्रोसीजर रहेगा? लेट्स सी. सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होना चाहिए दोनों में से नंबर बड़ा कौन सा है. दैट इज़ 225 इज़ ग्रेटर देन 135. वी हैव रिटन इट. इट मीन्स हियर A is 225 and B is 135. In rough work, what I have done, first you read it carefully, see it carefully. Because of it, everything will be clear to you. 225 को 135 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. By dividing it, we are getting it remainder 90. And then again we have to take 135 as dividend and divisor is 90. Divide it. By dividing it, we are getting remainder 45. Again this 90 is to be dividend and let us divide, and now remainder is 0. Means 45 is called HCF. And by Euclid's division algorithm, what to write here? A 225 equal to B 135 into quotient 1 is quotient plus remainder, this is remainder 90. Now as remainder is 90 means remainder 90 है, मतलब which is not 0 नहीं है. That's why we have to apply it again. And for applying it again, what we have to take? 135 and 90. 135 is dividend and 90 is divisor. You can see 135 is dividend and 90 is divisor. By dividing it, what we are getting? 1 as quotient and 45 as remainder. So you see here A equal to B Q plus R. As you can see, remainder is not 0. That's why we have to apply again division algorithm. And what is this? By applying it, what we are getting? 90 as dividend and 45 is divisor. That's why what we have to take? A is 90 and B is 45. By dividing it, what we are getting? 2 as quotient and remainder is 0. 2 as quotient, remainder is 0. As remainder is 0, that's why what to write? The remainder is 0, that's why divisor is 45. Therefore, HCF of these two numbers is 45. So this is called Euclid's division algorithm. On the basis of it, you have to do these two questions. Okay, try yourself.